Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 nail art designs using items found in your house. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will be using toothpicks and plastic wrap to create the designs. Start by applying a base coat on your nails. In the next two designs, I'll be using plastic wrap. I will start by showing you how to create a smooshy design. Paint your pinky fingernail white. I applied 2 coats of white, but you can apply just 1 coat because it will be covered. Now you need plastic wrap, and over it put small blobs of dark blue, turquoise and white. You can use different colors if you want to recreate this design. Using a toothpick, mix the colors as you were creating a marble design. If you want, you can let it dry and make a decal. Now place it on your nail and press. To protect around your nail, you can use liquid latex or tape, as it's a little bit messy, but the result is amazing. Clean around the nail if needed. And you have a cute and unique design. Now a quick marble design. Paint your ring fingernail light brown. Once again, you can use any colors you want. Now, using plastic wrap, scrunch it into a small ball. On a piece of paper, put a blob of dark brown. Using the small plastic wrap ball, rub a little bit of the color and tap to remove the excess of nail polish. Then, tap it on your nail. Repeat the same thing with the white nail polish. Clean around the nail if needed. I will be using toothpicks in the next 3 designs. I will create a drag marble design. For that, paint your nail white and don't let it dry. Put blobs of light gray, blue and yellow over the wet color. Now with a toothpick, drag the colors around your nail until you like the design. Clean around the nails if needed. Now a very easy flower design. Paint your nail pink. Using a toothpick, create white flowers. They're very easy to do, just create 5 dots around in a circle for the flowers. More flowers using a dark pink. A different pink, create more flowers. With a toothpick, add green leaves to the flowers. Now, add a yellow dot in the center of the flowers. You have a cute and easy flower design. Now a very easy and simple design with dots. Paint your nails mint. With a toothpick, create white dots on the bottom of your nail. Apply a top coat to seal your designs. Let me know which design was your favorite. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.